Hi, I am Pragmatic, the kangaroo. We are going to discuss about the 24th week pregnancy in this video. One interesting fact about human pregnancy: during pregnancy, hair can grow in new places where you didn't have hair growth before. Hair growth is seen in your belly, face and in around your chest, thanks to the pregnancy hormones. Let us see the growth of the baby in the 24th week. In this week, the size of your baby will be that of a corn. It will be around 29 centimeters to 30 centimeters from head to toe. Your little bean is putting on more and more weight, much of it coming from accumulating baby fat. Your baby is still sporting white eyelashes, eyebrows and hair, all of which have yet to acquire pigment. In this weeks, the eyelids have separated and are beginning to take their final shape. Baby's growth in the 24th week of pregnancy. In the 24th week, your baby lungs are developed and alveoli are forming. Babies start making lung surfactant. Surfactant is a liquid which helps babies to breathe in air after delivery. In this week, baby's auditory system is rapidly advancing, which means if she frequently hears a certain song now, she's likely to recognize it and feel calmed by it when she's born. Your baby movements may feel a little stronger and more noticeable, with pokes and kicks becoming more frequent. Now, it's time to tell about your symptoms that you will go through in the 24th week of pregnancy. Rashes: you may experiencing new skin symptoms, like itchiness, hyperpigmentation, raised bumps, or hives. Check in with your doctor or midwife. Mood swings, hormonal changes, stress, fatigue, discomfort, and exhaustion can all lead to heightened emotions, but it's perfectly normal to have them during the second trimester. In the 24th week of pregnancy, melasma, hormonal changes trigger an increase in melanin production that will cause dark patches on the cheeks, forehead, upper lip, and forearms. To minimize it, use sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher every day. Round ligament pain: you might be experiencing pain on either one or both sides of your abdomen or hip area. It happens because the ligaments holding your uterus in place are becoming strained and stretched. Leg cramps: when leg cramps start to cramp your style, try straightening your leg and gently flexing your ankle and toes up toward your shin several times. This can stop the spasm. In case of any increased symptoms, reach to a medical facility immediately. Hope you liked the 24th week pregnancy video from Pragmatic, nurturing pregnancy and beyond.